Hi everyone, it's Coach Fred here, and today I found a really interesting problem I wanted to go over. It's from the October 2022 SAT, and it's the calculator section. So October 2022 SAT calculator, question number 20, so of medium difficulty maybe. And here we have a circle shown, which has a center of -1, 1. And there's a line tangent to the circle at the point 4, -3. Which of the following points also lies on line T? Okay, so first of all, there's a lot we have to remember here. We have a circle. We have to know that tangent means it touches it at one point. And I actually also think it's helpful to know that if I draw a radius to that point, then it creates a perpendicular line, because the radius to tangent theorem you might have learned in geometry says that a radius drawn to a tangent line creates a perpendicular angle or a right angle. So when I look at these math problems on the SAT, I want to first try and eliminate answers that don't actually make sense. And like if you think about this, if I extend, this line's going to go this way and it's going to go this way. So which points couldn't be on line T? Well, this right here is the y-intercept of 0, 1 1/4, which would be like right about here, right? Somewhere around here, and that can't possibly be on the line, so that's out. 3, 6 would be like right 1, 2, or maybe like right here. It could be on the circle, but it can't be on the line, so that's out. So now I'm dealing with these points 8, 2, and 9, 1. And, you know, if you're in my class, you know that I always like to think of all the different ways that I could approach the problem. And there's multiple ways you could approach this here. But I think all of them relate to finding, using the slope. When we're looking at linear functions on the SAT, the most important three things that I always say it usually goes back to is the slope, the y-intercept, or the x-intercept. So if I'm unsure what to do, it's going to have something to do with one of those 3 points. All right, well, how do I find the slope of line T? Well, if I can find the slope of that red segment right there, then I know that the perpendicular slope would be for line T. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to find the slope. So I could use the formula, -3 - 1 all over 4 + 1, which would give me -4 over 5. So that's the slope of my red line right there, right? So the slope of line T would have to be 5/4. So you have a couple options here. You could just use the slope from the point 4, -3 and go up 5. So if I go up 5, I would be at a y coordinate of 2, okay? And then if I went right 4, I would be at a y coordinate of 8. So the point would be 8, 2. That's one way to do it, and then see your answer right there. So that would be the visual way to use the slope. You could also write an equation of the line if you wanted to, because you have a point on the line and the slope. You could use that point and the slope and do y plus 3 equals 5/4 x minus 4. And then you could plug in the points that you have left to see which one makes the equation true. So for example, you could do 2 + 3 equals 5/4 times 8 - 4. Well, 8 - 4 is 4. You can simplify the 4s. 2 + 3 is 5. So 5 does equal 5. So again, my answer would be 8, 2. All right, hopefully that was a helpful video. Have a great day.